Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in
Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College, especially today's session. It's amazing. You see there's something which is incredible here. So we are going to see about the automobile engine technology. So we are going to see the system that are combined together in order to run the engines and to manage it, to operate effectively. And before of that system, let's talk about the component for the engines. cylinder head, it is this part, this above us. From maybe there is the cylinder head cover, but we don't have it on this engine. But we see that the cylinder head, it starts from there up to here. So another one, it is the cylinder block. It starts from here and until here. So there is some component that comprise the cylinder head. So we see that there is the camshaft, there is the valve guide, and there is the valve, and also there is some springs, and also there is here the pulley of the camshaft, which is used to receive the rotary motions of power from the crankshaft up to that camshaft to open and close those valves in order to allow the air entering in the cylinder and to allow it the burned mixture to go out from the cylinder. So there is another part which is called the oil sump, where the oil it is contained, and the where the oil for the lubrication it is stored. So, and also there is here the oil filter. It is used to filtrate the oil in order to go into lubricate inside the moving part of the engine with no contamination that cause the some oxidations and the wear of the moving part. So we are going to see that those main parts of the engine. So let's start on the cylinder head. We see that there is the camshaft, which have the lobes used to push down this. Let's turn our engine. So we see that this is the cylinder block. Cylinder block, we see that it comprises the many parts. We see that this is the cylinders where the piston it is moving up and down. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cylinders, and also there is the piston. And also this is the connecting rod. It just connects the piston to the crankshaft. And also if there is the burn of air fuel mixture, it just produces the power to push down the piston, and that force it just rotates the crankshaft, and that motion or power transmitted to flywheel. This is a flywheel, and also this is a gearbox. A gearbox, those are gears. So this is a differential. So that rotary power it transmits from the crankshaft going through the flywheel, from the clutch to the gearbox, and from gearbox to the differential that distribute equally to the driver wheel, drive your vehicle. So and also we see here there is the intake manifold. In next session we will discuss about the starting system, each component of starting system, and we will just see how it operates in order to start the engine. So thank you so much. Make sure subscribe, comment, and share to your friend in order to get the more attitude and get the more skills about the technology, because it is where the world reach.